Looking to upgrade your grow setup? Meet the AC Infinity Controller AI Plus, the first AI-powered grow controller designed to optimize your setup effortlessly. Hey, this is Erik with LED Grow Lights Depot, and today we're diving into the AC Infinity Controller AI Plus. In this review, we'll take a high-level look at what the Controller AI Plus brings to the table and explore how it can elevate your growing experience. The Controller AI Plus is one of the most advanced sensor-based grow controllers available on the market. In fact, it's the first AI grow controller. It features 8 UIS ports allowing control of up to 32 devices when using the 4-port splitter hub, and includes dual UIS sensor ports for monitoring metrics like temperature, humidity, VPD, and more. There's also an additional environmental sensor on the controller. More on this later. The AI Plus controller supports devices like lights, fans, humidifiers, and heaters, to name a few, allowing control through schedules, timers, cycles, or environmental triggers including temperature, humidity, VPD, measured with the included sensor probe, CO2 using the CO2 and light sensor, and pH, EC, TDS, water temp, and levels with the hydro sensor. This makes it an incredibly versatile addition to any grow setup. Note that the CO2 controller and hydro sensor are sold separately. So ever wish that your grow setup could manage itself and offer insights for improvement? Well, with the Controller AI Plus, that's now a reality. This AI-powered controller automatically detects connected devices, learns from your environment, and adjusts settings to optimize conditions, offering tailored recommendations. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced grower, the flexibility of the Controller AI Plus lets you automate as much or as little as you like. Beginners can use the easy setup mode, while advanced users have the option to fine-tune. Once set up, the system runs autonomously, sending alerts only when issues arise. With the AC Infinity Wi-Fi app, you can remotely monitor and control your environment. It offers real-time insights, growth charts, and a library of guides and videos. The built-in AI bot also answers questions, providing valuable assistance throughout your grow. Now, let's dive into how these features translate into real-world improvements for your grow environment. Here are just 3 examples. So Smart Climate Control uses advanced automation to optimize your grow environment by dynamically adjusting intake and exhaust fan speeds based on real-time conditions. Equipped with dual zone sensors, the system monitors both internal and external climates, making it perfect for setups that pull air from external sources like windows or adjacent rooms. When the outside air is beneficial, the system increases airflow. When it's detrimental, airflow is reduced. Additionally, the CO2 sensor works with the controller, maintaining stable CO2 levels by adjusting airflow when sufficient CO2 is detected within the grow area. This is just one of the unique ways the CO2 sensor is utilized. The controller works smarter by looking at both your environment and how your equipment is running to meet your goals. For example, it might run a humidifier before turning on a heater to keep the humidity just right. The dynamic lighting feature adjusts your light schedules to be on during cooler parts of the day and off when it's warmer, helping to better manage your grow room temperature. These intelligent features enhance plant health, stabilize your grow environment, and reduce energy costs through efficient automated management. While additional sensors may be needed for specific metrics, the built-in environmental sensors are versatile enough to meet the needs of most grow setups. The AI Plus controller offers flexibility, allowing you to leverage its advanced AI features for automation or opt for manual control to suit your preferences. In summary, the AC Infinity Controller AI Plus is a game changer for growers of all levels. Its cutting-edge AI, versatile sensors, and seamless app integration make automating your grow environment easier than ever. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune an advanced setup, this controller has you covered. With features like smart climate control, dynamic lighting adjustments, and actionable insights, it's the ultimate tool for optimizing plant health and energy efficiency. I had a great time experimenting with this controller and was impressed by its plethora of features. It truly stands out as the best choice for home growers seeking a centralized automatic solution for managing their grow environment. If you're interested in the Controller AI Plus, CO2 sensor, and/or hydro sensor, check out the links in the description to learn more. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy growing.